Hey, welcome back to Corbellic Studios. I'm Corbellic. We're going to be knocking out another thick paper study gallery session that, just to warm up. These are going to be kind of like warm ups. Say to yourself, oh, no one's going to see it. We're just going to go through it fast. We're going to have fun. But yes, eventually we are going to list these as well because you're going to see how beautiful that they're going to turn out in the end. They just have this original, authentic look to it where it's hard to kind of duplicate it if you're taking yourself serious. Even at times, it's even hard for me to duplicate it when I'm just working off of a canvas, and I wish that they looked as great as they do when I'm working on this paper. But in order for me to do that on the canvas, I have to work on the paper, loosen myself up. If I come into the studio and I'm feeling like, I need a little bit of a warm up, or I'm feeling off, or I need a little bit of that motivation and inspiration. This is how I start. This is how I exercise my muscle. Picasso said a famous quote where he said that the action comes before the inspiration, it comes before the motivation. A lot of people think, oh, I just need to feel motivated. Oh, I got writer's block. I just need to feel inspired. No, you don't. You just need to show up, do the first rep, and then everything will come to you. So that's what we're going to do right now. Let's knock it out. I don't know what this painting is going to be, but let's just turn the light out and see what's going to be on the projector. All right, so this painting right here is going to be like an old school cigarette box, Lucky Strike from the 1950s. I love retro art. That's just one of my aesthetics that I love, and people seem to enjoy it as well. If you have a certain type of aesthetic that you enjoy doing, you can't go wrong. Paint what you like, use the projector, and then you're going to be able to see what the market likes from you. Whatever the market liked from me over the past years, it's kind of like I had to cultivate that. But you can cultivate your own market to see what's popular in your own circle. What works for me might not work for you. So it's up to you though to just show up to see what type of art works for you. But I do have a template of things that have been selling for me that are popular within eBay. You can click the link below, tap into the eBay art community. It's free. See what you need. I have all the list, everything for you to get your first sales. All right, let's get started on here. I'm going to take the big brush and I'm just going to get this cigarette part as much as possible, just the box. And what I love about doing these is I don't have to be perfect as far as having all the colors populated and everything has to be within some type of lines. And because in my mind, right, remember what we said, no one's going to see this. It's just us. No one is going to see this. So who cares what we do? Like there's no lines. There's none of that. We even paint outside the box a little bit, right? Let's get it just a tiny bit of water. I have a little bit of blue right there just so I could go outside the box. We're working it fast. That's where the happy mistakes comes from. All right. You see what I'm doing? Look, I'm not thinking anything of it. Now let's go into the middle where the lucky strike part is at. And it's like a red circle. We're going to do this fast. This is the outside of the box. Or the cigarette lines. What is it, like the advertisement? And these are the cigarettes right here. They're like, oh man, but cigarettes aren't red. It doesn't matter. We can go back in there and touch it up with some white if we need to. We're just working this fast. It doesn't matter. There's no rules in this. We're just doing exercises. There's no rules. So now that we have like our rough premise, right? Like we have a rough idea of what we did. You see how quick that we worked at? That's how quick you want to do. You want to take a big brush, lay down color as quick as you can, let it dry off a little bit. I use this heat gun right here, which is a Wagner heat gun. It dries the acrylic really fast, even faster for paper. All right, that's that. So now I'll take a white solidified marker, which is kind of like a pastel. And then look, we'll go into the cigarette part again. Look at that. Look what I'm doing. I'm just marking this fast. People want to see the markings. Remember, just say to yourself, no one's going to see this besides us. Now let's put in here Lucky Strike. Lucky Strike. Now, as long as you're being loose with artwork, you can reference anything you want. So don't think to yourself like, hey, do I have to get things copyrighted, or do I have to worry about infringement or things like that? No, because how I'm showing in the eBay art community and on these lessons where I'm just painting loosely is that you're doing it in your interpretation. So nobody can own what your imagination is of whatever you see. Just like nobody owns if you want to do an interpretation of a bird or a cereal box or anything like that. You can do it because it's through your interpretation. It's not the exact artwork of whatever that you're doing. So you can't get in trouble for copyright or anything like that. And then whatever kind of word that we want to put down here, let's put land. And let's put on here cancer. Cigarettes are bad, okay? Cigarettes are bad, kids. Don't smoke. All right, now we're going to take like a little bit of the red pastel stick and we're going to put that for like the top of the cigarette. So it's like the tobacco. Let's have these lines for what their cigarettes are, right? Mark that out. Turn the lights on. See what we see. And boom, look at that. We did that together. You see how quick that we did that? And look, just a couple more marks that you could do. And also, look, what I'll do on here, I'll do this. I'll put tax. Put our signature on here. And boom. Huh? We just did that together. Look how quick that we did this beautiful, beautiful painting right there. And this is on paper. Someone's going to frame this. They're going to love it. A lot of times people don't want to buy canvases. They like to buy the gallery pieces of art. So that way they can put it in their kitchen. They can put it in their bathroom. They can put the glass behind it. They can get it matted from their favorite framers. And people love it. So it's not always about canvases, but a lot of times I create these not only to warm up, not only to have an exercise, but I create these so that way I can be able to also sell the canvases. They work hand in hand together and it makes you more of a professional artist. Have fun, do this, give people a variety of different types of art to get from you, not just canvases. All right. So I hope this helps. That was a quick video and I'm going to see you in the next one.